Hi everyone, my name is Agustin Mendez. I am the CTO and the co-founder at Kitchenery. Today we are here in Baltimore, Maryland, in the headquarters of STANLEY+techstars, and we are excited to show our technology. So in front of me, I have the hybrid power transmitter, and we have installed our receiving technology below these kitchen appliances. So we are going to be able to transfer power wirelessly from the transmitter to the appliance. So all that we have to do is to place the appliance on top of the transmitter, and that's how the magic happens. So if I press the button, the blender starts to work. So if I remove it, no power. So there is no battery on here, there is no cords, so just wireless power. But this is a hybrid technology. That means that you can also use this transmitter as a traditional induction cooktop. So if you place whatever pan, whatever pot that you have at home, you can use this as well to cook. So that's been all. Thank you very much for your time.